In today's episode, we're decorating for the summer. So if you want to see what we're doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Today's video is sponsored by LeFree 3rd Generation Expandable Garden Hose. Now, LeFree contacted me and they wanted me to do a review on their hose. Now, this is a 50-foot garden hose. It's 2.5 times expansion, a durable outer layer, and it's a super lightweight hose. Now, here are the contents of the box. We have one hose, one holder clamp, one spray nozzle, now the spray nozzle has adjustable spray settings. It also has a lifetime warranty, and it comes with the plumber's tape and with 3 replaceable rubber washers. Now, this hose is small and over 70% lightweight. It's 40 layers of natural nano rubber. It's kink-free and puncture-free, easy to clean, a service life of 2,500 uses. It's easy to carry and store. It's durable and leak-proof. It's high temperature resistance, free hook hanger, and 10 spray modules and a lifetime warranty. If you are interested in purchasing this hose, I'll have the link down below to their Amazon store and also their website. And tell them Stephanie sent you. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now in today's episode, I am so happy to say that it is my summer Fireplace Decor Challenge. Now, my wonderful co-host, Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reefs and Things. Now, if you haven't heard of Melissa, I'll have the link to her channel down below in the description. Also, I'll be including the playlist link down below for the other participants. So you can check those out because I know you'll enjoy those much as I will. Now, let's jump into this video.
with confidence. When I got to roll our hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is falling. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking.
Now, to tell you where the items came from, the 2 lanterns on each end, they were thrifted, but they actually came from Kirkland's. I picked this up here at, I think it was Hobby Lobby where I picked this up at. Now these pictures up above are the shells, this one and the other one. Those were thrifted. And this fish in the middle, this is a tray I wanted years ago in an event my husband and I went to. And actually I won a DVR and I traded the lady for this fish platter for that because I really wanted that fish platter. We already had like 3 or 4 DVRs. We didn't need another one. And then I got this sign here today at Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance for $6. And then the pearl garland that you see here, this came from Amazon. When I saw this, I knew I had to have it. It is so pretty. The pearls and the starfish. Now here is my lighthouse. And the lighthouse bulb is out. That is too funny. I tried to turn it on, it wouldn't come on. So here's the lighthouse. And then there is my mantle. So let me know what you think of my coastal theme fireplace for this summer. Let me know down below. You know I love reading your comments. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It helps me, but it doesn't hurt you. And also, don't forget to check the playlist down below for the other participants. And I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.